So you have a task at hand and you have to do it. And you know you have to go through all the pain to get the task completed. And you just simply hate doing that task. But I'm going to share 5 ways you can make the task more enjoyable. The first way you can make the task more enjoyable is by changing your perspective from viewing the task as a challenge to viewing the task as an opportunity. When you view a task as a challenge, you'll be hesitant to do that task. You'll be thinking about the negative things that will stop you from actually doing that task. Or in other words, I would say you will procrastinate doing that task. For example, you can be given a math problem to solve, but because you view it as a challenge, you won't be able to do it. Whereas another person will be given that same math problem and that person will hurriedly or quickly solve that problem. You see, the difference between you and the other person is your perspective. He views it as an opportunity to learn, while you view it as a challenge. So you have to change your perspective. You have to view things as an opportunity. The second thing you need to do is to learn to love what you do. Passion comes with mastery and time. When you do a task for a very long time, or let's say you're a barber and you cut hair for like 5 years. At this point, cutting hair is a piece of cake to you. You don't even view it as a challenge anymore. You only view it as an opportunity to earn some money. I would even say by this point, you are cutting hair on autopilot. Getting used to doing something builds your passion for it. And things that you are passionate about, those are the things you find easy to do. The third thing you need to do is don't focus on the pain. Focus on the feeling you get after you accomplish any task. You don't find the work you do or the tasks you do enjoyable or fun because you are focusing on the wrong things. You focus on the pain of doing the task, while you should actually be focused on the feeling of accomplishing that task. You need to shift your focus and look on the brighter side. You go to the gym to build your muscle. Although it pains you every single time you go to the gym, your muscles ache, but you still keep going to the gym because you want to have a sick body. Just like cleaning your room, when you think of how organized your room would be, when you think of having a clean mind, you actually do that task. The third thing you need to do is to reward yourself after hitting a milestone. Let's say you study for like 3 hours, 4 hours, then you have like 30 minutes to 1 hour of gaming. So let's say you study for like 2 to 3 hours, and then now you're going to reward yourself to play a video game for like 30 minutes or 1 hour afterwards. When you do a task and you know that you have a reward right after that task, you will quickly do that task because you want to get that reward. Just a quick note, the reward doesn't have to be video game, but anything you view as a reward, anything good you view as a reward, you can use that as the reward. So now you have the sense of delayed gratification because you have to do the task in order to get the reward that comes after. The fifth thing you need to remind yourself is why you actually need to get that work done. Why do you study? Why do you go to the gym? Because you want to get good grades. Because you want to build a sick body. Those are good reasons enough for you to do the tasks necessary to achieving that results you are looking for. Literally, anything you deem worthy to be your why should be able to propel you to achieve your goal. And speaking of goals, I made a video about reasons why you fail to achieve your goals. Be sure to check it out. Go out there and make good decisions and do what's best for you. See you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.